I decided to try and make a video with my first attempt at forming my boat into something more pleasant. We decided against buying a boat, so we're going to fix this one up. I'm just going to try and let everybody know the steps I took to get it done, some of the resources that I had along the way. This is the first part I done on painting my boat. Was I painted my Mercury cowl. The color of the inside of my boat is going to be the light color. Putting a new prop on it. Now I got it all taped off to paint the bottom section because I'm doing a two-tone brown and beige color all the way around. Got a quick update. Got the motor finished. Got decals on it. And I got my first coat of my dark brown paint on. That Sherwin-Williams super paint is what I used. I'm gonna put 2 coats of that on, then move up to the other areas. I'm gonna do like a beige color to match my seats. Sherwin-Williams matches it up perfectly. Well, I got my painting done. Turned out pretty nice. Trying to break these lines up. I went and bought some pinstriping in Advanced Auto and put this double pinstripe around it. I'm gonna go all the way around the boat with that. There's my beautiful motor. Looks real good against it. But I'm just gonna wrap the rest of it with this pinstriping, then move on to something else. Been piddling with some wiring. I got a mess in there. I'll get her done though. Well, it's been a little bit since I recorded a video. Been dealing with the weather, cold weather and rain. So I finally got the painting done. Got the pinstriping done. Got my decal on the side. 85 Starcraft. Making it look like something now. Got the motor done, the name put on the boat. Mark Twain. That's a sentimental name. My wife's cousin's husband's name. He redid this boat when he got it. I'm redoing it again. Got the console done. Painted. Got a windshield coming. Just got to tackle the floors in here. I should be about done. I painted the console. I painted a 48 quart igloo cooler. I painted it the color of the boat. And I took a seat out of that spot right there. I took a seat out from where that cooler is, and I put the cooler and screwed it down and put some silicone on the nuts and everything so she wouldn't leak. I put a drain plug on the side as well to go out to drain it out the side of the boat. But I'll check in when I get done. There's my board too. Made that to go in front of the console. Finally finished up my boat. I think it turned out pretty nice. I'll do a quick video of it and then some before and after pictures I'll post at the end. But this is my first time making a video. I hope everybody enjoyed it, learned a little something along the way. Got my steps installed, got them painted and mounted. Handle. Found the seats to match my paint job. Painted the trailer, the whole frame of the trailer with plastic dip. Got me a new ladder on there. Put grip tape on top of everything. That's what I use right there. Took about 3 cans, I guess. There's my motor. Probably seen plenty of that. Take a quick video of the inside and then I'll post them pictures. I'll just start at the front. Got my 2 seats mounted on the front. I made this rod holder out of angelum wood. It ought to last longer than the boat. Got 3 couches in it, a corner piece and 2 ends. A fresh new cooler. Set up some draining on it. Got a new captain's seat in there out of another boat. There's my board I made to cover the battery. Got all my lights hooked to a battery. New windshield. Painted the top with the grip because the boys love to jump up there and fish. Put some handles on it. Well, that's how she turned out. I'm pleased with it. I'm sure my wife will be. New canopy. Got it set in the up position. But I'll post some pictures, and I hope everybody enjoyed watching this video. I'm gonna do another boat. I'll get some video of that one too. Thanks for watching. I did all this work in the backyard out in the country. No fancy shops, no fancy tools, just good old ingenuity. Y'all come back now, you hear?